Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kajingnya lang jaga kenhuan Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla hak arpu arteri ukelalingkat 8,000 arpo kalashim ya kerai ban pelong no ya ke election MDC siteng samai hak arpun riu langren constituency hak arpu prateri ubenai rempang 8,000 arpo usembut Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar Jilla ubak prestuan tensang hak kajingnya keren bat kilat pathai kubur uliat hu bak electoral roll ke badang penkre on sa penmi pajba hak arpo prateri ukelalingkat 8,000 arpo ulaang bakas ngi khatdu ban thep kerteng kan long hak khat khandai terik rempang 8,000 arpo hak por lai beje no phai sngi bat kajing bishar bnya eki kot thep kerteng kan long hak ni ke ju hi kasngi hadien ka lai beje kasngi ba khatdu ban weng kerteng na ka lempung yakun kan long hak arpo terik rempang 8,000 arpo bat kajing penbej eki kerteng jong ki kertong bat ban ay ka syap kan long hak arpo arterik rempang 8,000 arpo kasingi thep bot kan long hak arpo praterik rempang 8,000 arpo pat kasingi nyaw bot pat kan long hak lai terik ulber 8,000 arpo.
As you are all aware, in view of the demise of late Sri Nasran Marwin, MDC, on the 28th October 2019, then District Council Affairs Department came in with the proposal for holding the by-election. So, the Cabinet has approved the proposal as follows. 1. Publication of draft electoral roll will be on the 28th January 2020. Publication of draft electoral roll. Okay? Then, number 2, last date for filing claims and objections will be up to 12 February 2020. Third, disposal of claims and objections will be on the 13th February 2020. Then final publication of final electoral roll will be on the 15th February 20. Most importantly, number 5, date for calling the constituency to elect the representative to fill the vacancy means the date of notification will be on the 17th February 2020. Notification will be notified on the 17th February 2020. Okay, you got it? Then last date for filing nomination will be on the 19th February 2020. Before 3 p.m. Scrutiny will be on the same day after 3 p.m. Means 19. Okay. Last date for withdrawal of nomination will be on the 20th February 2020. Then finalization and publication of valid nomination and allocation of symbols will be on the 22nd February 2020. Then date of polling will be on the 28th February 2020. And date of counting will be on the 3rd March 2020.